You don't have a skill, you don't have money, you don't have a website, but you want to start earning in dollars. Let me show you 5 best ways to do that. As dollar exchange rate rises, your best bet is to start earning in dollars. So when you convert the money to your local currency, you will smile to the bank. In a moment, I'm going to show you 5 best ways you can start earning in dollars starting today after watching this video. It doesn't matter the country where you live in. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't even matter whether you are broke now or not, because you can start this with zero capital. You also do not need to have years of experience to start any of them. So you want to stick with me to the end of this video. There is no how you can go through the 5 of them without finding one that works best for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate that. With that said, let's dive into the topic of today. First on my list is blogging. Now, hold on. When you hear of blogging, you tend to think it's one big thing. No, blogging is basically writing. So if you can do a quick research and write articles, you can make money as a blogger. Yes, it's that easy. You can write article on any topic. Hey, sweetie, blogging is not hard. You just need to pick a topic you want to write on. Go do a quick research on that. People have written a lot of articles on that topic. All you need is go through what they have written and then write your own. So you write articles and start publishing it on your blog site. Once your blog starts getting attention, you will get monetized. Google and the rest of other companies reach out to you to advertise on your blog site. So they place adverts on your site and you start earning every single day. You won't believe how much people are making from blogging. Now I can hear you say,
but I don't have money to build a blog site.
Well, you don't need to spend a dime to create a blog site. Sites like blogger.com allows you to create a free blog site for yourself. So you can start with blogger.com. When you start generating a lot of money, you can build a website of your own. How can you start blogging today? First, do a quick research on how to create a blogger account. There are lots of YouTube videos that will show you exactly how to create a blog site for yourself. So, pick a niche. Choose topic or topics that interest you that will also generate traffic you can start writing articles on. These topics could be real estate, business, fitness and weight loss, or any other topic of interest. Just make sure it's something a lot of people are looking for. Step 3, start writing. Now, how do you write a good blog article? Before you write on any topic, go on Google and search what other people have written on that topic. It will give you an idea of how to structure your own content. Bloggers earn between $200 to $4,000 every month. If you convert that to Naira, you'll be getting between 100,000 to 2 million Naira from just writing articles. You too can do this. The second way you can earn money in dollars starting today from the comfort of your home is online tutoring. Online tutoring is a sweet way to make money just speaking English. All the online teaching platforms pay in dollars. Cambly is a good example. On Cambly, you create a free account and you start teaching as soon as your application is approved. As a Cambly tutor, you don't need a certificate to teach. You basically chat with people on Cambly and you get paid for doing that. Cambly pays between $10 to $12 per hour and the link to sign up is in the description of this video. I also made videos on various tutoring platforms you can sign up absolutely free. Check this video for a full guide. The third way you can make money online is transcription. With this, you earn simply by typing from home. Transcription and captioning is basically you watching a video or listening to an audio clip and typing what you hear the voice say. You just listen and write. There are lots of transcription jobs you can apply for today. You have Rev. Rev pays very well. You have Go Transcript. You have Transcribe Me and a lot of others. I made a full tutorial on how to do transcription job in this video. In the video, you watch me transcribe a clip. I explained everything you need to do as a transcriptionist in this video. So you want to watch it after watching this. Also check the description of this video for links to sign up on some of those transcription sites. The fourth way to earn in dollars is online gigs. Platforms like Pico Workers and Micro Workers will pay you few dollars to perform simple online tasks. So this is Pico Worker, where the word works. Pico Worker is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. As some of the tasks you can work here and get paid immediately. Pico Worker is one of the easiest places you can make your first dollar online. To create an account and start taking tasks immediately, scroll up here and click on this button that says sign up, and it's going to open for you to create account. Go on and put your email address, your password, and other information that are required here. Come down here and select I am a worker. Click on I agree to terms and conditions, and then click on sign up. With this, you create a free account for yourself, and then you're ready to start earning in dollars, taking simple tasks. So you do simple tasks on those platforms and you get paid in dollars. The more time and task you take, the more money you make. Now, if you're getting value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. And the fifth way to earn in dollars starting today is freelancing. Join Fiverr and Upwork. These are freelancing sites where you sell your skills and services, and you get paid handsomely by people from different parts of the world. So if there's anything you know how to do, how to design a website, design flyers, you know how to dance, how to smile, how to crop pictures, how to write, anything at all you are good at, go on Fiverr, create a free account, list your services. You get people from all around the world pay you to help them do that. One thing I love about this freelancing site is that no one tells you what to charge. You name your price. If it's something a lot of people want, they are going to pay you to deliver the service. On sites like Fiverr, there are lots of gigs that requires no skill, no experience that you can take on today. In this video, I made a list of Fiverr gigs you can start today. These are gigs that require zero capital, zero skill, zero knowledge to start. So click on the video right now to watch it. See you soon.